Today we will discuss about the physiological action of arsenicum album. So physiological action of arsenicum album, before we go to read all this action on the sphere of its action on the sphere of our body, first we should know what is physiological action. Means physiological action, its name itself says that when any drugs or any medicine or any crude forms of a composition of a medicine taken into our body with a toxic or lethal dose, then it causes various disorganization of the body's tissue, which we called as the physiological action of the that toxic dose of the medicine. So it is a generally, verbally, or I say in a clearly but not a definitional manner, but for the understanding purpose. By this we go towards the know how physiological action of the arsenicum album occurs in our body if we take lethal dose or itself. The physiological action, its many author also says that it is a toxicological effect of a medicine. So arsenicum album, when taken by a person, if a person does not know about that the medicine composition or amount of taken during a disease, but if he taken more than like a poison, then from which we can say that it is due to the arsenicum album poisoning. So in arsenicum album poisoning, how can we diagnose that it is due to the arsenicum album poisoning? So with this from this video, if you see all those things on the action of the arsenic album on a special type of body's tissue or organ, then we can say a type of a disorganization occur by a peculiar disorganization occur by the arsenic. From this diagnosis, with that this is due to the arsenicum album poisoning, or it is a physiological action of arsenicum album. With this we start now arsenicum album. Physiological action of the arsenicum album or arsenicum album is mainly prepared by the trituration method. Why we require trituration method? Because according to Dr. Henneman in the homeopathy, he said that arsenicum album, due to its a mineral source, so it is used as a medicine by the process of trituration, and it belongs to the class 7. Class 7 means, according to the old method of classification of Dr. Henneman, he says that class 7 is the proposition of taking the arsenicum album and the vehicle for the trituration is follow the class 7 method. So all those things, trituration on the class 7, how the processes occur, is present in the YouTube description link or in the I button. You can see or follow how what is trituration and what is class 7. So before that, after we go towards the action of the arsenic album, mainly its center of action is a ganglionic nervous system. Means if you say that this is the spinal cord and this is the brain, so this part is the brain is continue as a medulla oblongata, then spinal cord. From the brain there is from the spinal cord there is autonomic and parasympathetic nerves are forms. These nerves are end by a forming a bunch of neurons are joined to form a bunch of substance which is known as a ganglion, and these arsenicum album always have a great role on the ganglionic nervous system. So where those nervous system which related to the ganglion, they are mainly poisoned or mainly have the action of the arsenicum album, have the action on that on that organ or on that tissue or anything of the nervous system. So if we classify we know arsenic any drugs having two type of a center of action. One is ganglionic center of action, another is cerebrospinal fluid like action. So here the arsenic album having ganglionic type of a nervous system action. So now the arsenicum album sphere of action. So how where it is where its action is we can found when there will be arsenic album poisoning occur. It these things which is written, it is mainly scientifically verified by a experiment on the arsenic album poisoning on a person or on any lower animal. Then the things which we appear in a different area, it is written. So in what is the action of arsenic album in the mucous membrane? Mucous membrane, it is the lining of a body tissue or body organ. Means any in our body, in the gastrointestinal system, means in our food pipe, there is the lining of a mucous membrane is present. So mainly its action on the mucous membrane by causing congestion, means it causes congestion, means it causes constriction of the pipe. Destructive inflammation occur by when there will be congestion, there will be inflammation also occur in the mucous membrane of the gastrointestinal system. There will be malignant ulceration, means the tissue which the mucous membrane which are present on the it, they are flow, means they are degenerate and get ulceration. Then after that there will be, after last and prolongation, it causes low fever like typhoid. Due to the food pipe becomes inflamed, then the pathogen can enter into the body and causing a reaction, fever like sign and symptoms are appear. Then in the serous membrane, what it causes? Serous membrane, what is it? It is the protecting layer present on the pleura. Pleura means our lungs. Pericardium means the covering up heart. The covering up lungs is known as pleura. Peritoneum, the covering of intra-abdominal wall, abdominal organ, intra-abdominal organ, they having the covering for the protection, that is peritoneum. So when there will be arsenic album poisoning or its physiological action on the this serous membrane is that it causes edematous growing, so that the inflammation occur with copious dropsical infusion, means the some type of a fluid that is copious and a drop like fluid which we called as ulceration like of a fluid, means the these things are causes by the arsenic album on the serous membrane. Then on the kidney, how arsenic album acts on the kidney, means it causes mainly fatty degeneration, means the kidney wall contains the fats. When arsenic album is taken in a lethal dose, then it causes the fats are degenerate, means they are not situated oil, they are now going to flow down, so that the kidney becomes the flow down, or they are the fats which also contain the protein like albumin, which are now now enter into the urine, that causes albuminuria. So that what is albuminuria? It is the albumin excreted through the urine, is known as albuminuria. Then in the skin, how arsenic album causes the poison on the skin? So when it mainly causes violent inflammation occurs, there will be skin becomes dry and scrotty with this herpetic like grow with eczema, urticaria, this like of eruption will be occur, means the allergy like of a symptom also occur. With it gangrene, means the growth. If it is skin, then there will be this type of a tissue becomes this type of a gangrene occurs, means there will be inflammation and which is not pitable, means when we press it, it is not going, it is become hard. So that if prolong it not medicated, then there will be the operation will require to remove the growth. Then in the blood, how arsenic album acts on the blood? Mainly it causes decrease in RBC number in the blood, so that anemia also occur, and it also causes the decrease in RBC with disintegration of RBC, means it destroy the RBC, so that there will be hemorrhage like condition also occur. Then in the heart, how heart its action on the heart, it will mainly cause a very peculiar action, that is it causes irritability with weakness of the heart, resulting into asthenia, means the paralysis like of paralysis with vasomotor paralysis also occur, and the pulse rate, means heart rate of beating heart rate will be also goes down with palpitation also occur. Then circulation is related to heart, so all those things which occurs in the heart is also in the circulation, that is vasomotor paralysis with asthenia, means the muscle weakness also occur, heart muscle becomes weak. Then arsenic also having great role on liver, how it causes fatty degeneration of liver, causing jaundice, cirrhosis of liver, means inflammation of liver with fatty liver also occur by this arsenic, and also the liver tissue became dearranged, so that the liver does not function well. Then the lungs, in the lungs its main action is that it causes the air pipe of the lungs, air pipe becomes constricted, so that air will not flow into lungs properly, so that what happened, the violent dyspnea occur, means more and more breathing with painful breathing also occur, the muscle of the lung muscle becomes spasm. In long term, if we not medicated or any medicine will not given properly, then bronchitis also occur with asthma like behavior. Then its main action, because we know that its center of action is our ganglion, so its main very much peculiar action, profound action also occur in the cerebrospinal system. How? By causing sensory and motor, both sensory motor paralysis with a tingling like depression with irritation, and it has a great action on the fifth cranial nerve, that is trigeminal nerve, so that trigeminal nerve which is supplied to the face, so that if it causes the neuralgia on that trigeminal nerve, so that what happened, repeated sneezing occur with nasal discharge, so that is under severe frontal headache, means the frontal sinus also frontal part of the head also supplied by the trigeminal nerve, so due to this neuralgia severe frontal headache also occur. With this temperature fever also occur, and but here one thing is important, temperature is increases, but when we touch on the extremities area, means our hand or legs, those lower extremity and upper extremity, we feel cold, that is due to the this arsenic album poisoning. With this we complete all those things regarding physiological action of arsenicum album. I hope you can understand what is poisoning action of the arsenic album and how can we diagnose by looking on this system or sphere of action of the arsenicum album.